Welcome back to Pepper's Built. So today, back into where we stuffed up last week. So time lapse. We're here. So I just quickly got in and did it because it was just annoying me. I needed to get it all ready and prepped to do what we're going to do today. So the reason it doesn't fit is on here this piece is, because they put different calipers on it, bigger calipers, this piece changes a little bit. So on here you can see it's quite big, and on the other one it's flat. So where the caliper mounts onto here, it when I tried to put them on last time, I was just pushing the caliper, or wasn't able to sit over the disc at all. So, as you've seen, clean these ones up, and today I'm going to chuck these in. So, hopefully have a better day, and these ones will go over here in the pile of do not use parts. But yeah, everything else is all good. As you've seen, took it all apart, laid it out properly so it's not getting dirty. Can chuck it straight back on these, which are all nice and clean. And yeah, getting into hopefully putting the brakes back on. And that way we can chuck a sway bar, a few other bits and pieces. So come along. Done. And it actually spins, doesn't touch, the brakes actually fit, and while I was in there I just chucked the brake line in the back there, so all looking pretty good. And I didn't show you, but I just whipped the other side back together as well. So now up on the bench we have these bits. So you got the sway bar, and these two bits go over that bush, and you squeeze them together, and then you chuck these pieces of annoying things to put on. They're not too bad, but they are a little bit annoying. And then the bump stops. So bolt the sway bar on, mounts, bump stops in there. Look at that. It didn't take long at all actually. I was probably in the wrong position because the camera was behind where I'm shooting now, and then I ended up kicking it. But yeah, all in pretty good. Tighten the bolt up. But yeah, these pings are just like just slanted slightly, so they just slide on, and then little tab at the back here that you click in or tap up, and yeah, sway bar in. So next, I'm gonna jack it up a little bit and just put the bump stops in here. That's not gonna work. There we go, good day in the shed. I'm gonna wrap it up. I had a pretty good day. Brakes work. I tried to chuck the bump stops in and I couldn't get enough weight in the car or jack it up high enough to try and get them in. So I'm gonna wait until, yeah, got some doors on, interior in. That should be pretty good. And then I jumped underneath and I just put the brake booster in with a couple of bolts just to see the bar that goes from the brake pedal to the booster, just to see the angle of it and what I had to do. And I think, as I said before, I was going to adjust the bracket where the booster sits to get a nicer run into it. but by the looks of it, I'm not going to be able to really move it much, so just going to leave it, put a little bit of bend in the bar. I'll make a new one, but yeah, put a little bend in it, and it should line up pretty well. If I need to, I'll just make a little support off the side onto the chassis rail, just to hold it so it's not kicking itself around, but that can wait. So thanks for watching, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys again soon. Cheers.